Who are you when your appearance doesn't speak for you? Day 4 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey. Today's verse is a visual, almost poetic, but hidden inside it is a truth about what makes someone truly radiant. Kanchana Barana Biraj Subesa, Kanana Kundala Kunchit Kesa, which means your golden complexion shines brightly. You wear earrings in your ear and your hair is curly and beautiful. At first glance, it sounds like Tulsidas is describing appearance, the way Hanuman looks. But like every line in the Chalisa, there is a meaning beneath the image. And it starts, strangely enough, with us. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I met a lady named Asha at a leadership workshop. She wasn't the loudest in the room. She wasn't dressed to impress. But whenever she spoke, even a single sentence, people listened. Not because of her position or her voice, but because of something else, an ease, a calm, a presence. At lunch, someone asked her, how do you manage to be so confident, so radiant? She smiled and said, it is because I stopped spending energy trying to be powerful, trying to look powerful. I started using it to be peaceful. That line hit me like lightning. Because here is the thing, radiance isn't what others see, it's what shines through you. When you stop fighting yourself, that is the same energy Tulsidas saw in Hanuman. When he writes Kanchana Baran, golden complexion, he is not describing color, he is describing aura, the glow of selflessness, the shine of purity. Gold doesn't burn brighter because it's flashy, it shines because it is refined through fire. Hanuman's glow is the same, not ornamental, but earned. Let's step into his story. After leaping across the ocean and entering Lanka, Hanuman faced temptation, deception, and destruction all around. Ravana's kingdom glittered. Towers of gold, lamps of jewels, everything radiant from the outside, but rotten within. And there, in that glamorous darkness, Hanuman moved unseen, calm, alert, untouched by greed or fear. When he found Sita in the Ashok Vatika, his radiance wasn't in his strength, it was in his gentleness. He approached quietly, humbly as a messenger, not a hero. That is Kanchan Baran. Golden not because of possession, but because of purity. In that moment, his presence glowed so deeply that even Sita, surrounded by demons, felt safe in his presence. That's real radiance, the kind that calms the frightened and steadies the broken. Then Tulsidas says, Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa, the earrings and curly hair. These aren't just physical features, they symbolize balance and harmony. The earrings, listening with attention and compassion. The curls, a mind that returns to peace like waves returning to ocean. As if Tulsidas is saying, when your thoughts are pure and your mind is steady, you start to shine. Outer beauty becomes a reflection of inner order. You see, Hanuman wasn't born glowing. He became radiant by living in alignment. Every action, every thought, every word pointed towards one direction: service, truth, remembrance. That's why his presence was light itself. And maybe that's the message for us on day 4. We live in a time where we are constantly told to stand out, glow up, be noticed. But the Hanuman Chalisa teaches just the opposite. It says, don't try to shine, just clear the dust. and the light already within will do the rest. You don't need makeup for the soul. What you need is alignment. When your intentions are clean, your energy becomes magnetic. So today, maybe skip one attempt to impress. In place of that, choose to express gently, honestly, without pretenses. That's how you start to carry the Kanchan Varan energy. Because gold doesn't announce itself, it just exists, quietly radiant. Let's chant the verse together once. Kanchan Varana Biraj Subesa, Kanana Kundala Kunchita Kesa. Let those words sink in. That's not describing how Hanuman looked, they are describing how he felt peaceful, pure, aligned. So, here is your reflection for today. Where in your life are you shining for approval instead of shining for authenticity? And what would happen if you stopped trying to glow and just allowed your truth to light the room? That's Kanchanavaran. That's divine radiance, the kind that doesn't fade when the light goes out. Tomorrow, we move to the next verse where Hanuman's grace meets his strength, and we discover how true brilliance always bows before purpose. Until then, carry your quiet gold. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one light to remember. Jai Hanuman.